everyone, welcome to another episode of Beautiful Garden. Today we are going to harvest some big zucchini, squashes and greens, and also going to show you some beautiful flowers. Let's start here. I have some big zucchinis over here. I'm gonna start here right now. Can you show the zucchini? You have to be really close.
Oh, look at these. Cool. Things
So
got big.
I put them on a net because squirrels eat them. They got so big. I went to a tour to Boston, and then in the meantime they got like big as my hand. So I'm going to put it right here. I'm not sure. There is still soft to it, but I'm gonna harvest them anyway. But if I don't harvest them, they're not gonna grow any more zucchini. So it's good to harvest more. The more you harvest, the more they're gonna grow. So you can see this was on the ground, that's why it has a spot on it. But it is still so good. So we have another cucumber, which you saw in my last video, very small, but it grows bigger. See how big it is. So I'm also harvesting this cucumber. Oh, look at I'm getting new peppers here. Small little peppers.
What kind of pepper is it?
Green pepper.
Thanks.
Oh, this zucchini plant is dead. I don't know what happened to it.
Dead?
Yeah. See?
It just crawled out the ground like that?
Yeah, it just died like that.
That's how they die?
Yeah, I think I'm going
That thing just easily came out the ground.
I'm going to harvest this patty pen squash. So this is a round squash, not the one taller, close. So this is a round one. So squirrels had a bite when it was a small, and I hide it on this net, and now it could grow bigger. This plant has to be very big zucchini. Can you come here and show that how big and how many zucchini is there?
Wow. Close action. Lots of them.
Give me that. Hold it. So here is one. This is the one which is very juicy, and the more it grow bigger, it tastes great. So it's important to pick them early. 2 from one plant. We have more. Oh, this one is the biggest. Look how big it is.
Wow.
Look, hold it. There is more. So the more I will pick, the more it will grow. More squashes. There is another one. Can't believe one plant can grow so many. You take this plant.
Corn growing.
So this plant has another one growing. Yeah, it may get a little bigger. So there are some more. These are gonna grow a little bigger. And I have a big zucchini over here. Just came out like that. We can't fit this in a basket. Look how many we harvested. That is some more. Look at these beautiful flowers.
Hey, what's up with this one? Why was that thing brown?
Which one?
This. Look at it.
Which one?
The what do you call that thing? Cucumber?
Cucumber is supposed to be brown. Oh, actually it got ripe.
The pickle now.
It got ripe by the time I picked it.
Okay.
So I'm going to harvest some eggplant. One eggplant got really big. So we are going to harvest some flowers to put in on our dining table. So this is a beautiful, what is the name?
Gladiolus?
Gladiolus.
I forget. I'm surprised you forgot it.
Yeah.
What color is this one? Dark purple or
This is
black?
dark red.
Yeah, look at that color of that.
So I'm gonna harvest it really down.
You're gonna cut it all the way down.
Yeah.
Nice.
And I'm gonna put it in this jar.
How about this top action? Like,
So they're gonna bloom.
they will still bloom.
It will still bloom.
So look at that. These top ones are like black almost. So cool.
So pretty. I love this color.
Yeah.
There are some other ones. This one almost died. And there are some more coming up. Here, one yellow. There is one coming red. This one is almost dead right now.
Ah.
So I'm not gonna pick it. But I really want a sunflower on this vase. So which one I should pick, look?
I think you should pick the red. Oh, you mean sunflower?
I really want one sunflower.
I think it'd be fair to take something from a node than a stalk.
Yeah.
So
Okay,
perhaps
so
this
let's
one.
get this
Don't
one.
cut me out. So that way you don't take the whole thing out. Boom. Is that enough length?
Yeah. This looks beautiful in a vase.
Beautiful garden, baby.
I'm going to get some. Let me put this down. It's a beautiful zinnia here. I'm gonna cut it.
Zinnia.
Lots of color going on here.
A lot of action in there.
Look at this zinnia too.
You want to put two of them in it?
Yeah.
Look at that. Nice. Carnations galore.
So I want to cut some dahlias.
Is that these ones, right? Okay.
So these are also purple.
They look like a dark red almost.
I think I'm gonna cut this one because it has two of them.
Wow. Easy. I don't know if this is going to fit in there. It's too little.
I can put it in a small vase.
We'll put this one in a small vase then.
And there is a yellow dahlia bloom this time.
You want to cut that now?
No,
Okay.
I want to keep it. But I want to cut some beautiful
Poppy?
cosmos.
This is not a poppy. The problem with those poppies is what do? They die right away. They die a fast, quick death.
Oh, this is the black-eyed Susan. I only have one of them. Hold it on the other hand and put it. I want to get some strawberries.
Where they at?
Here.
Ah, look at that. One.
Right from the garden. There's some. Here, look. Look at this big strawberry.
Nice, look at that. Picked so easy too.
Yeah, this is pop up.
This is like the freshest ones I've seen you have.
And after I came back from the school, I find like more stuff is alive right now
That is.
than before. So there are more strawberries here. You wanna show?
I'm gonna take these ones.
This are, I think this one.
Oh no, I might need a little more
One more
time.
time. But I do really want to cut this marigold. It's so pretty
Nice.
for my beans.
Marigold.
Smells so good.
You smell it? I don't know what it's supposed to smell. It smells beautiful, huh? Beautiful garden.
So that vase.
Show. Take it up. Make sure they don't fall. Nice. Look at this. Oh, this action. Boom. Nice on Amika. Whole variety going on. That is
love
so
this.
beautiful. How long will you keep this for?
Oh, it smells so fresh.
Keep this for a lifetime. We could
This
just
spinach
isolate
is
this.
So delicate.
Yeah, look at that.
And look at this big sunflower. After I came back from the tour, it got much bigger than before. It's like even taller than me.
Now it's taller than you. Look at that.
This one too.
This one too. Look at this. That thing got tall, didn't it? Alright.
This is a tiny little sunflower over here. You can see the sunflower is so small.
Yeah, it gets bigger.
Oh, I missed this whole big thing here.
What is this?
This is the biggest squash I forgot to pick. Can you show?
Look at that thing. Whoa.
Yeah. This is a big. Oh, it just came right away.
Only you need to cut it.
No. I forgot to pick it. I think there are more hidden than I can find right now. So look how much squashes we got.
Look at that. One,
One.
two.
Three. This is jumbo. Four. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the biggest one.
Look at that.
And there there is a zucchini and there is a cucumber. Yellow squash, this variety is a early prolific variety. Yellow squash. That's why it's growing so much. And this cucumber is gonna be so tasty. So I'm going to make salad. Oh, this is a patty pan squash. Look like cucumber salad, right? And this is one eggplant. This is what we got so far. thinking to get some veggies to make the salad. I mean, green. Look at this nasturtiums. This cilantro turned into seed, and there is some coriander seed growing. You can also use them on your face, and it will go with the flowers pretty good. Like if you put it like here. Almost broke it.
Oh man.
Still look good.
So this is the precipice of beautiful garden.
That's all we have harvested today. So thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel.